I'm gonna do a quick video on this sports fan. I'm gonna unbox it. I got this the other day and I use it here on the pipeline, also on my food truck. But this is what it comes with, the USB charger, and it also comes with the fan itself. And this thing is really flexible, which you're gonna see when I put it on. It comes with some simple instructions. You can go ahead and throw those away. So I'm gonna also show you what the battery looks like. This is a rechargeable battery. So I'm gonna just take it off so you can just have a look at it. It's not a AA, it's not a AAA. It's somewhere between one of those big batteries and a AA. So that's the negative side right there. So I'm gonna just show you the different speeds. So you can flex this thing any kind of way you want to. And when I'm out there on the pipeline, it's a lot of little bugs and flies, and this thing really helps a lot. So I'm gonna go and show you what speed 1 sounds like. It's 3 different speeds. So this is speed 1. This is speed number 2 right here. This is speed 3. And that thing blows really hard. And the welder was telling me, if when their glasses or something fogs up, they can just use this right here and it don't fog their glasses while they're welding or under the hood. So you just hold it for like 3 seconds to turn it on and off. Here is about 90 degrees and this thing works great. Like I said, it's a lot of little gnats and stuff be flying around, and you can put this thing on and you can adjust it to blow in your face, in your ear, hood, whatever, wherever you want to. Pour some water on your face, and it really works great. So if you want to purchase one of these, look in the description below. And thanks for watching Welding and Stuff.